Back outside. Say, since nobody's walking in the street, we're walking the street. Look. Oh my eyes. Yo, look here, the street, bro. We're in the street, bro. Told you it's a fucking snowstorm. I don't care. They did say it was gonna be a bit slippery, so I think you gotta watch out not to slip. Not to slip. The main thing is to not slip. Don't slip. I see that lady coming too. Ha ha, I feel you. Nah, go walk the street. Cause it's better when you like do this. Oh, I'm cleaning the street. It's not. Is this not like old block Cedric? Oh shit, that scared the fuck out of me, bro. Even he's sliding. I feel you, bro. Put a snow. Even he's sliding down a nigga. He's sliding down the hill too, bro. Don't tell what I think that is. Oh, fucking shit, bro. Fucking snowplows pouring on the snow. So we're supposed to have summer fight. Yo, my shit waterproof. Yo, my phone water resistant. So I'm recording a snowstorm. Look at the snow. Damn. Look. I hear it. Come on. You hear it and you know it's coming. You know it's coming. You hear that joint? It's coming. Look, a foot.